trying to think, like, have they missed together, bro? And I don't think they have. This duo's crazy. I need it. Where's YBL FN, bro? How do you get outperformed on every song? I don't even think he got outperformed, bro. I really don't think so. Every time Nine and Apollo collab, I be thinking like they both did their thing. Like Apollo like did what he had to do. Only time I feel like Apollo maybe got outperformed was that song he dropped on freaking, what's it called? Apollo Red versus the World. That's literally the only time I think he could have got outperformed. Everything else that I've heard, no outperformance I've seen. It's been straight equal, straight hockey freaking battles, bro.